The crawler system ensures maximum traction and low ground pressure, ideal for operating on uneven or soft terrain.
Dobro, sad digni gore. Digni još gore ovako. Polako sam skroz kužda ne
Traktor.
Ne budu oni stali. Počni puštat.
Bruh.
When it comes to cleaning, this worker doesn't mess around. This guy is fighting trees for a living. A reaction test made just for mechanics. Level 100 Axe Skills, making brickwork look like an art form. Never underestimate a team with a single goal. This store employee has turned packing into an art form. No wasted time, just smooth, coordinated hustle.
No speed.
Witness the BMW back to traction. No fuel, no electricity, just brilliant physics in motion. Engineering at its most organic. Oh man, this is literally my dream job. how hundreds are served in a traditional Pashtun gathering. As mesmerizing as molten glass looks, always exercise extreme caution when handling it. This heavy-duty excavator is turning an old house into a memory in record time. It's not cleaning, it's creating a key. Without this gap, your decorative pointing has nothing to hold on to. This is what happens when skill meets confidence at the job site. Why swing a hammer when you can use 20 tons of yellow steel? A master craftsman doesn't rely on expensive gear. Watch how simple tools bring out such delicate woodwork. Defying the odds through sheer collective power. Engineering humanity. Meet the baby plant mover, giving every seedling a first-class ticket to its new home. Shake it till you make it. Why pick one by one when you can harvest the whole tree in 5 seconds? Someone get this man a trophy and get me some deep heat rub. Transforming labor-intensive manual harvesting into a high-speed multi-person station for commercial-grade output. A clever worker knows how to hack the job with a machine to finish faster and easier. Respect the skill, but keep your feet on the ground, folks. Gravity does the work, unloading steel coils effortlessly.
Tú pasas y te descargas.
He calls it highly optimized engineering. The heavy-duty ribbon auger breaks up compacted snow and ice, feeding the high-speed fan for maximum casting distance.